practice. Let's you try find this function's limit. Limit x goes to 1 sine x over 1 minus ln x. Answer. So what is the answer for this question? Limit x goes to 1 sine x over 1 minus ln x. Notice this denominator. Denominator when x equals 1 is 1 minus ln 1, which would equals 1 minus 0 because ln 1 value is 0. So the denominator equals 1, which is not equal 0. So we can use quotient laws to calculate this function's limit. So quotient's limit equals limit is quotient. So it goes to 1 sine x divided by limit x goes to 1 minus ln x. When x goes to 1, use the function's limit as function's value. When 1 is in the domain of this function, same thing, it's in the domain of function. So the numerator will be sine 1, and the denominator will be 1 minus ln 1. And so that's what give you sine 1 over 1 minus 0, which equals sine 1. This will be our final answer. In this practice, we used one very important idea here. When denominator is not equal 0, denominator does not equal 0, we can directly use quotient law. Well, after we use quotient law, so we are going to see this function's limit here is actual function's value, because 1 is in domain of sine. Same thing, the 1 is in domain of 1 minus ln x. That's why we did the final answer will be sine 1.